Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Well, I'm in Crete, Nebraska. I had to make a delivery, and I just thought I'd show you something. I went shopping, and I spent $319 this weekend. I got food. I did buy food, and I got some pans, and what else did I get? I got me a nice skillet, because it's time for me to stop making excuses why I can't eat better than what I have been doing. Don't mind that I had to cut some but anyway, I got me a nice skillet. It's got a nice lid on it. And I am going to make me some sausage and eggs. I do have a fridge in here. You guys know that. I'm sure you guys know that. Going back to the dashboard cooking a little bit. I bought some steaks, bought some hamburger, but we are going to open this up because I just bought it. It's frozen. We got a freezer in there, but I got to use both hands for this, so I'll be right back. All right, we got the sausage open. We'll put a little bit of grease in here so nothing sticks. Well, it's one of them pans, or skillets that nothing sticks to anyway, but I got this open, and it's frozen too. Like I said, I do have a freezer in here. My hands are clean. I made sure of that. And I don't know if you guys read this, but it's hot sausage. I love my spicy food. We got some hot sausage, so we're going to make a couple sausage patties. Let me put this back in the freezer. See, there's the freezer right there. And it does indeed work. I do have, and the freezer door is actually part of this door right here. So it does a good job sealing. All right, now let me go. I do have a lighter. I gotta have a lighter in order to fire this up. So, all right, let's fire up the stove. There, I got it fired up. We'll put the skillet over here. Oh shit! We don't. The plastic wrap that was on the sausage was actually underneath. We don't want no fire, right? Except for where we want the fire. There. Now, I got the pan, the skillet. Now we'll be right back. I'm going to show you some more. Okay. Now we're cooking the egg. 2 eggs actually. Just scrambled. Sorry about that. And there's the end product right there. Sausage and egg. Scrambled eggs. But anyway, this is breakfast. We're going to eat this, and we'll be right back. Thank you. Later.